Youthful blunders creating lifetime regrets. Picture yourself as a 25-year-old who has just submitted your application for your ideal career, only for the interviewer to bring up that careless social media post you had put up when you were still a teenager. A single slip of judgment will shut the door you had tirelessly worked to get open. So as teenagers, we frequently hear this phrase from adults: "You're young and you'll learn." And yes, youth is certainly for learning. However, certain lessons have forever implications. So, can teen errors actually give rise to adult regrets? Certainly, yes. The decisions we make now may define the opportunity, relationships, and reputation that we bring to adulthood. Let's consider 3 situations in which small errors can result in permanent regrets: school choices, internet activities, and interpersonal relationships. Skipping homework, cheating on an exam, or not taking courses seriously may seem like no big deal now, but low grades can restrict college opportunities, scholarships, and even professional careers. You see, I do know a person who coasted through sophomore year thinking that they would catch up at some future point, but when scholarship time rolled around, their grade did not meet the standard. They were forced to pay their tuition instead of receiving a scholarship. Social media posts, comments, or even sharing offensive memes can come back and haunt you. Colleges and employers often check applicants' online presence. A student from a local school lost a college offer due to a racist joke they posted years earlier. They claimed not to believe it, but the internet doesn't forget. Friendships and familiar relationships are thin. A belittling message, gossip, or ignoring the person in trouble can cause scars. You see, I've had friendships dissolved due to trivial misunderstandings. In some cases, people harbor resentments, and you can never retract hurtful words, however much you realize later that it was a big mistake. True, we all make mistakes, but there are some of the decisions we make at adolescence that could have long-lasting effects. Wrong school choices restrict future possibilities, careless online action could ruin reputations, and destroyed relationships bring about long-lasting guilt. So as we enjoy these high school years, let's remember that our behavior today will forge our future. It's okay to screw up, as long as we're wise enough to miss the ones that we'll be regretting forever.